5% of the classroom feeling sleepy, stressed, or unable to focus? Well, this happens more often than we realize. Students' emotions and energy level change constantly throughout the day. However, the classroom environment remains the same. It doesn't change when students are tired. It doesn't soften when they are stressed. However, students are not machines. So why should their learning environment remain fixed? Today, our team will present a solution so that every classroom could be human-centered.
Our today's project is called Emotion-Aware Classroom Light. It's an AI-based system that automatically adjusts classroom lighting into the emotional atmosphere of the class. Instead of forcing students to adjust to the pressured classroom, we may change the atmosphere of the class and make it adjust to the students. We know that most of traditional classes stay unchanged even if students' emotions, feelings, and overall effort change during the day. So we create a system that helps us to improve with the collaboration of AI and smart lights. Our goal is simple: to create an environment which supports learning both physically and emotionally.
Our system begins with emotional data collection. In the basic version, students select their mood using simple buttons like green, yellow, and red. In the advanced version, computer vision technology estimates the general classroom atmosphere. Most importantly, the system analyzes both individual students and overall classroom mood that can ensure privacy and ethical use of AI.
Artificial intelligence analyzes the emotional trend of the class. So, for example, if many students appear sleepy, so at this time appear sleepy, if many students appear sleepy, the system increases brightness and also uses cooler lights to improve alertness, and also if stress levels are high, it switches to warmer and softer lighting to create a calm atmosphere. So, and also during a focused study time, cool bright lights supports concentration and also cognitive performance. So the last one is the lighting. The lighting automatically adjusts in real time.
So in addition to lighting adjustment, our project also includes a special feature called Classroom Emotion Indicator. So in this project, when students feel tired or lose concentration, the brighter lighting can increase their focus or attention. So if stress levels are high, the warmer and softer lighting can allow students to have a more comfortable and enjoyable environment. Teachers can also get some constructive feedback by using this classroom emotion indicator. So let me show you how it works. The green, it shows a higher focus. The yellow one, it indicates normal energy, and the red one, it signals higher stress. By using this technology, teachers can adjust to the environment and change their teaching method. For example, by slowing down the speed of their lesson or allowing for a short break. This also dictates a natural daylight and reduces artificial lighting when natural sunlight is enough. As a result, it improves learning environment, supports students' well-being, and it saves energy.
Our project is not only innovative, it is deeply rooted in scientific research. So I'm going to give you an example of the most famous scientist's research, Leila Hormozzi, and its research is based on 20,000 students. And as the research goes on, students experience changes according to whether the light warm or it's soft. And during the process, students progress up to 20% faster in their mathematics or 26% faster in their reading. And in this study, it proves us that all the things that we are claiming is not just predictions. It is the numerous scientific approach that's done in the real life. What I mean by that, students tend to feel more alert and tend to feel analytical, which means they are more likely to solve hard issues and discuss problems with their teachers more openly when they are exposed to the light, which is more warmer. I mean, if they are exposed to the light that's softer or kind of smooth and soothing, it means they are likely to feel more interactive, and throughout the lesson they feel less stressed. Even though lesson is hard, for example like mathematics or chemistry, which is hard to get, and like they feel sleepy sometimes. So all of this means learning is not just a physical aspect of a classroom. It is a psychological and neurological factor that clearly defines how students communicate with each other. They focus or interact during lesson. And our project transforms all this scientific data into a practical solution.
As you see, our project is not only passion, it's also scalable. A scalable thing I mean is, we only need the simple things that we can find anywhere. For example, smart light technology that we now get everywhere that we know. There are three kinds of lights: cool, warm, and bright. That's all we know. And the second one is AI-based technology system. As you know, AI-based technology system at the right time is so fast and it can be developed in any kind of wear. And also, the third one is simple input interference. For example, simple buttons or like cameras that can analyze the students' faces and emotions. And the part that I wanted to say was that towards smart learning is environments. I mean, the schools can, there's some kind of schools that can afford for expensive things. And our project is this kind of things that's scalable. They can afford for this kind of things a lot. And the good one is because if the environment is adapted to the students, it's more better. And the project that we worked on is not only about changing the brightness, it's about understanding the students, the feelings, their emotions, the way they are hardworking on everything. And that's what I'm saying. And I mean, the long-term emotional training is about like they will work on like for months in one classroom that we work on, and they will learn about this. And the second one is personalized learning and lessons. I mean, for example, like chemistry, you can just put on the color, like this kind of colors. And for high history, it's not good colors because we get tired of this. And for example, for math, science, or English, we need bright colors to learn new things. So that's why we do this. And smart classroom integration. I mean, while sitting in the classroom and you're sleeping, suddenly the change of the light made you happy. It made you emotional. So that's all the project that we made last class. And thank you for your attention.